Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this week we have another short video in which I'll show you a fault that was made on one of the mock tests which I upload weekly, and then I'll demonstrate exactly what the learner should have done. So yeah, this one's a very common one on lane discipline on roundabouts, and yeah, check this fault out. At this roundabout, Alina starts off in the left lane, so should have stayed to the left, but instead she drifts into the middle lane. Now I'm going to show you how to deal with this roundabout. So you can use both lanes on approach, the left one and the middle one. We do normally advise you to use the left one, but yeah, I'll show you exactly what to do when using both lanes. Let's go. Okay, so now we're coming up to the roundabout, and the first time I do it, I'll be approaching in the left hand lane. The reason why we ask you guys to use the left lane when you have a choice of two is so you can exit off in the left hand lane as well. Checking on mirrors, slowing down, see vehicles in front, so opting for gear 1. And now after entering the roundabout, now make sure keep to the left. I position by the curb here, and as soon as I've passed the first exit, mirrors, signal, and then keep to the left. Obviously you saw in the video how the learner drifted over to the middle lane. So I'm going to go back and do it again using the middle lane this time, and then I'll show you exactly what to do if you do approach in the middle lane. So here we are at the roundabout again, and this time I'll be using the middle lane on approach. This time I'm going to use second gear. There's no vehicles in front of me, but there are vehicles on the roundabout, so into gear 1. And after entering the roundabout, it's important to stay to the middle. Don't drift to the left, don't drift to the right. Now as soon as I pass the first exit, mirrors, signal. This time I'm going to exit off in the right hand lane. So the middle lane led me onto the right hand lane of the dual carriageway, and now when it's safe, I'm going to check my mirrors, signal, and move over to the left hand lane. Remember, you do have to come back over to the left after exiting the roundabout, because the right hand lane on the dual carriageway is for overtaking or turning right. So do not keep driving in that right hand lane. So that's it guys. Hope you found the video useful. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.